Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to be giving my garden a little bit of a touch-up. I do plan on removing the trellis, the string lights, filling up the beds with compost. We're missing about 3 to 4 inches due to the hugelkultur that we're using. If you guys don't know what the hugelkultur method might be and you're interested, let me know. Leave a comment below and I can definitely show you a better explanation. But for now, enjoy this time lapse of gardening behind the scenes. At first, I wasn't thinking about recording it, but I figured, hey, many of you may or may not know the necessary work it's required to have something like this. I was actually putting one of these stake posts into the raised bed, only to realize that I pierced the strip hose. I'm going to be doing a repair video soon. If you want to see that, I might end up just adding a clip here when I have a minute, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and unplug it and continue working on getting rid of these trellises for the time being. Check it out, guys. I found this in the other bed. As you can see, proof that we have living soil. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's continue. Cindy, come. We lost one. Trying to move this. Let's just throw it in there and see what happens. Cool. Finally, we're going to move on to phase 3, fixing the irrigation system. And it looks like we have water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your videos with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye everyone.